This is for you, Harambe. You were my whole life, everything else was filler. But some people say you were just a gorilla. They never knew who you were on the inside. They don't get you were just a king naked for a fun ride. Split splash of the water, then splash of your blood. See your big body hit the ground with a hard thud. I felt my heart breaking to that day when you were taken away. Now every night I just pray that you'll come back and stay. Heard the zoo's gonna do with your preserved DNA. I don't know if to be happy and amazed or upset and enraged. So many emotions and commotion in my head, I feel dazed. It was hard to write this, sorry it took so long. You were the eighth wonder of the world, bigger than King Kong. We were under your protection, you were mighty and strong. Now it feels like I'm dreaming when I think that you're gone. It's actually more like a nightmare if I'm being fully honest. It's like my happiness was in a box and someone just robbed it. Don't know what I'll do without you on the same plane of existence. I'm trying to let go, but I keep feeling resistance. Don't like to dwell on the deceased, but I'd like less to forget. You meant so much to so many, and now you're dead. Is it worth to keep going, or should I join you in heaven? Getting so stressed these days, it's like I'm planning a wedding. This is nothing like that though, it's the exact opposite. There's nothing good about your death, there's no reward or accomplishment. Just misery and sadness, I can't handle the madness. Trying to find meaning now is like looking for definitions in an atlas. What a beautiful beast destroyed by society. There's a growing hunger for vengeance inside of me. I try to fill it with your memes, but it's only temporary. There's no replacement for your holy self, so wise and muscular and hairy. Tell me, who are your heroes? I'm curious, call me George. I promise mine was bigger, smarter, and more attractive than yours. But he was kept in an enclosure for all the haters to see, when he should have been in the jungle, roaming and free. A little boy was only trying to be amongst the god. He wasn't crying in fear, only amazement and awe. We'd all be like that, being so close to a king. To keep a straight face, you need all your will from within. At least he's in a better place, unknown as best tip in history. The reasons why are clearer than a glass cup of glycerin. When our kids ask us who we always looked up to, tell them about the ape who was killed inside his own zoo. Heroes are remembered, legends never die. You'll be with me forever, always deep inside. You were my whole life, everything else was filler. Your name was Harambe, you were more than a gorilla. Thanks for watching.